Hi everyone! We are here at the Calgary International Airport and we are here with Adrian and Shella. Hello! So, Adrian is our international students from SAIT. And what are you taking up, Adrian?
Business administration.
Okay, business admission. And then, how was your experience with Alma Armada and Company Limited and International Students Canada Inc.?
Flawless. Sobrang dali ng processing. Kompleto sa requirements and very friendly.
Yes. Sino ba nauna mo nakausap?
Si Miss Jane.
Yes! Friendly ako.
Friendly.
And then after that, after the LOA, sinong nakausap mo after?
Ang pinakamaganda natin si Miss MJ.
Yes, our visa processor, which is si MJ. Hi, MJ! Okay, and then ito naman, si
Ay, sumundo lang po ako.
sumundo lang, si M, and then si ang aking
Hello.
habibi, Clinton. Okay, and then so everything went well. Ano naman ang masasabi nyo sa services ng International Students Canada Inc.?
We'll definitely recommend Alma Armada. In fact, nire-refer ko din sila sa mga family and friends ko. And hindi lang sila from the beginning, no, up to the end,
Yes.
tutulungan nila kayo.
Yes.
So, kung
thumbs
naghahanap kayo ng agency sa Calgary, number 1, Alma Armada.
Thank you. Okay, so ano na bang oras dito? 12:22 AM dito sa Calgary International Airport. So, yon, I'm gonna say bye. Ano nga ba sinasabi niyo, Mami? I'm here on behalf of Alma Armada from Alma Armada and Company Limited and International Students Canada Inc. Say goodbye to everyone. Good night. Take care. And God bless to you and your loved ones. I'll see you next time. Bye.